state one thing.
What?
I'm
kind of scared to sleep alone
sleeping in
now.
Elena's room tonight.
Okay.
Because I'm not sleeping at the fucking right side of the hall long. Fuck that shit. I'm coming down here in your room on the top bunk when I'm safe. Because now I'm scared. Thanks a lot. No, I'm calling PS.
Did you guys hear that?
I did, and
There's
I wanted to
someone-
walk over there.
There's someone in the laundry room.
Who?
I don't know, but I heard the washer go.
Go see.
I'm scared.
Hi, Brittany.
You guys are gonna scare me.
No, I see
What are you
somebody.
doing?
But really,
Are
our
you
safety
creeping?
is not there. The lights are off. And as I was walking back,
What are you doing?
guys, listen.
Don't tell me scary stories.
No, as I was
Hello?
walking back,
Scooch over.
She's thinking about bring him down here, Brady. Come in the blinker.
there's gonna be a guy with a knife standing in the laundry room.
And we're gonna shut
What the
Brady
fuck
out.
did I do?
No, but did you
You
hear?
be the okay one because you can run.
Alyssa, did you hear the washer?
Yes.
Who was it?
I sure hope Lindsay is here.
Who's Lindsay?
Valencia.
Lindsay.
Mincy?
Valencia.
Valencia.
Oh,
Hey,
Brit. In the washing machine.
First. It is iron shirt.
Someone's doing laundry.
It is a pair of socks.
I really gotta pee, but I'm scared to go down there.
Just go. If you scrape all the...
can't. There's someone down there.
Just go see if
Lindsay's
Lindsay's
here.
here.
We'll go out that exit.
No, we'll get locked.
I feel. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Do I go with you?
Did you see something?
Everyone, we're
No,
going
but I heard.
we're going to make Sorry guys.
I really
Listen, we're all going
I'm
to the
really scared
bathroom.
right now.
Okay, Alyssa has to go pee.
We're all I have to pee. We're all going to then we're going to my room to get my laptop and my phone. So everyone get up. Get up and bring your phone for
Who is down there?
Shut up.
You hear the washer running,
Whoa.
and we're all here.
Shut up.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
I'll go first.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna walk backwards so you can videotape us.
Is it Brittany?
Is it
From behind us.
There's no one in here.
Who is doing laundry?
What's the echo? Who's doing laundry? Who is doing laundry?
Who is here?
Oh, I like this one.
I think it's Valencia. I want to knock on her door.
Hi.
Oh, it's just Kristen.
Are
Are you doing laundry?
Like the smallest person in the world.
Okay, well, I'm just laughing at you guys in my room, like, think you guys are a ghost here or something.
I know.